Got you, sir. I got you, sir.
Let me get my shoes, sir.
Hold that in your head. It's bloody.
So we gotta move to the bus. Let me get my shoes.
Okay, my shoes down.
Watch out.
Hello, students. Welcome back to class. I am Miss Katie, that vegan teacher. Here's what's in the news. Shoes, 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 shoes. Trump's first words after the assassination attempt were, "Let me get my shoes." Seriously.
Let me get my shoes. Let me get my shoes.
And today we're going to be talking about Trump, his first words after being shot. But before we begin, make sure that you press the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you don't miss any follow-up videos about this really interesting topic. Talking about Trump, his first words after being shot have to do with not national security, not worrying about the fact that the gun shooter is probably still out there and might shoot a whole bunch of other people. No, his first words were about his shoes. He was worried about his shoes. He needed to get his shoes. What the hell was up with that? Did Donald Trump take his shoes off before giving a speech in this town in front of all of these people? And if so, why were his shoes off? Shoes, 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 shoes. Trump's first words after the assassination attempt were, "Let me get my shoes." Were they heels that were so tall that he was like towering over the microphone and he needed to find a way to crouch down? Did Donald Trump have sweaty feet and before he gave his speech, he had to take them off in order to air them out? Or maybe there's some sort of fungus there or something? It doesn't make any sense. Unless he's talking about another pair of shoes. Maybe he carries around an extra pair of shoes like a security blanket or something like that. Everybody thinks it is so cool that after he was shot, that he was able to say to the Secret Service agents there, "Hold on a second, just a minute." And then he prepared for the photo op. And people are saying, you can't manufacture this type of thing. But this guy has been an actor for years. Of course he's going to manufacture this type of thing. Of course he knows that the second these bullets have gone off, that this is a photo opportunity. So he made sure to say to his Secret Service agents there, hold on a second. I got to make sure that I hold up my fist and make sure that I pose in front of this flag here to make sure that everybody sees how patriotic I am. Meanwhile, at that point, he still doesn't know that the gun shooter is not dead. He doesn't know. And so he's actually putting all of his Secret Service agents in extreme danger. Because if this guy is firing at Trump, and there are all of these people, public employees or whatever you call them, I don't know, they are around him, they are still trying to protect him. So they could easily have been shot. Now, a lot of people think that just because somebody is vegan, it means automatically that they are a left-wing person, but that's not actually true. There are actually many vegans who understand the right wing. They understand that our society has become too woke and insane. Many vegans actually believe that traditional values are good. We don't believe in all of this woke nonsense, at least not all of us. Many of us actually would vote conservative, except for the fact that conservatives have sometimes lost their minds. Many of them are religious freaks. Many of them are against the rights of women to be in charge of their own bodies. And here we have an example of somebody who, in the midst of gunfire, is thinking about his shoes. It's just bizarre. So I'm curious. Let's talk about what kind of shoes you think he has. What kind of brand of shoes do you think that he was looking for? What color were they? Pink? Purple? Black? Brown? Do you think they were running shoes? Do you think they were stilettos? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on